Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Virtue Spire Electronic Paintball Hopper. The Virtue Spire IR is a dependable device that is small enough to be portable. It weighs 1.2 pounds and is equipped with sensors to allow for continuous paintball movement. These three IR sensors have been improved to reduce pulsing and make the unit quieter. The jam-proof system allows you to feed 200-260 paintballs regardless of paint texture. This unit is built to handle even the most delicate paint on the market, ensuring that you get the best performance with every shot. The flexible rubber fingers on the spring-loaded unit effectively feed the brittle paint into position. To ensure that you can use the unit for an extended period of time, the materials used must be of high quality. This model was made of high-quality nylon. It will be impact-resistant and very simple to clean. There is also a battery life indicator and an alarm to remind you to recharge or refill the unit. It also has a standby mode that will save you power when you are taking a break. The slide lock allows you to easily switch between the lid and the speed feed. Because the speed feed is not included, you must purchase it separately. Our second best paintball hopper is Valken Paintball V-Lite. The Valken Paintball V-Lite earned its reputation as one of the few loaders that can switch from .58 to .50 caliber in seconds. The gun has a capacity of 250 rounds and a firing rate of 15 plus balls per minute. It also has a capacity extender, allowing you to shoot for longer periods of time. The extender does not jeopardize the loading system's continuity. It is a lightweight unit weighing only 1.3 pounds, making it easy to transport. The machine can handle soft paint without jamming. The paintball hopper requires 3 Ah batteries to function properly, but the batteries must be purchased separately. This hopper has no fancy features, only effective basic features. The unit includes a quick switch lid for easy loading and a quick release shell for easy maintenance to make things easier for the user. The clamping feed neck will keep the unit stable even as you move around. Third choice in our list is Mad Dog Paintball Hopper. The Mad Dog Paintball Hopper is fashionable and well equipped to meet all of your field requirements. The mid-range unit weighs 1.4 pounds and has a low profile, allowing you to shoot accurately without interference. It is also lightweight, making it easy to move between stations. The unit is made of tough nylon that can withstand impact. This unit also has adjustable speeds. You can choose between high, medium, and low speeds. The paintball hopper can dispense paintballs at a rate of 15 plus bits per second. When you look at the unit, you can see that it has a large capacity, capable of holding 204 balls for an entire round. In addition to a large capacity, the unit has a jam-proof system to prevent clogging. A rubber-based feeding system for soft paintballs, a rain lid, and battery indicators are also included. To ensure that you don't end up with a dead paintball gun, the indicators work both visually and audibly. The paintball hopper is simple to disassemble for storage and operates on 4 AA batteries. The batteries are not included and must be purchased separately. Number 4 in our side is Tippmann Multi-Cal Hopper. Tippmann Paintball Hopper will serve you well whether you are an expert or a beginner. The unit was designed to be lightweight and portable, weighing 1.05 pounds and holding 200 rounds. If you're looking for a gun with a fast fire rate, consider one of these, which fires 30 plus balls per second. Everyone will be splattered with paint by the end. The unit contains patented motor technology that works effectively even with fragile paint to ensure continuous paintballs. The anti-jam trigger goes a long way toward ensuring a smooth transition even while reloading. This product has a unique feature in that you can get a matching color quick feed. This isn't a big deal, but it will add some color to your unit. The unit is powered by 3 AA batteries and has a capacity of 100,000 shots. When it's time to recharge, the LED battery indicator will alert you. At an unbelievable price, the unit has adjustable torque settings and a water-resistant board. Last in our top 5 best paintball hopper list is Virtue Spire 4 electronic paintball hopper. This Virtue Spire 4 is ideal if you have a smaller field or simply want to make a smaller impression. It comes in a plethora of color options and is our low-profile pick due to its compact design. It's compact and can hold 200 rounds at a time. It's also very simple to reload. This hopper employs cutting-edge technology to keep your paintballs flowing smoothly. You should not have to be concerned about jamming. The angle indicator was one of the first in the field and helps to ensure peak performance. The hopper is perfectly balanced, so nothing gets thrown off while you're sprinting through the field or making a getaway dive. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.